Hey guys, it's me Paul and welcome to my life. It's been a while. Parang ang tagal na nung huling welcome to my life episode ko. Parang, ano pa ako nun? Wala pa ata akong third year nun. Yun. And, gusto ko lang siyang ibalik. I mean, tinry ko siya last month, nung June. And, sad to say, hindi siya nag-succeed. Kapag video naman ako, pero I feel like hindi siya enough para maging isang buong vlog. Magawa ng vlog about my life kasi parang lately, yung mga content ko ay travels. But gusto ko din namang i-share kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay ko aside from traveling. Since wala naman akong ginagawa ngayon kasi naghihintay na lang ako ng graduation. Siguro mga ilang araw na lang. Siguro wala nang 2 weeks yung graduation ko. And kaya gusto kong mag-vlog din ng welcome to my life. Since kagraduate na ako, parang okay naman siya as starter ng series na yon. Wala ako sa bahay. Nandito ako sa Pilotos, magpapagupit ako. And as you can see guys, mahaba na talaga yung buhok ko. And meron akong gustong ipagupit, pero tingnan natin kung babagay ba siya sa akin. Pero I hope bumagay siya sa akin. Yon. Again, welcome to my life. Sana magtuloy-tuloy to hanggang end ng June. Anong June? Hanggang mag-end ang July. Kamay na kayo doon. Paano ko saan? Brush up pa rin siya. Papabayan ko pa saan? Ay, hindi ko parang pasaya. Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang magpagupit. Okay ba? Next agenda na. Yun lang, gusto ko lang ipakita yung jawline ko. Charot na joke lang. Gusto ko lang ipakita yung buhok ko. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a Wednesday, July 16, almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And today, ang ganap ko ay pupunta ako ng school kasi ngayon na yung schedule namin for our graduation rehearsals. But hindi pa naman ito yung suot ko. Because may gagawin pa ako before ako umalis. Bubuksan ko may dumating na package. And bubuksan ko siya today. And yung package ito, inaantay ko talaga siya ever since. Then, dumating na package sa akin ay yung aking graduation outfit. Nagpa-custom ako ng barong. Nakita ko sila sa TikTok and message ko sila sa Messenger. And yun, doon na nag-start. Buksan na natin! Kinakabahan ako. What the heck? Andito na siya. Sana kasya siya. Pero feel ko kasya naman. Wait lang guys. Ang ganda. What the hell? Ito na siya guys. Kasya ba siya sa akin? And yun. Na-fit ko na yung graduation barong ko na pinakostom ko. And ang ganda niya guys. Sakto lang yung fit. And hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo. Pinutol ko talaga yung clip para if ever, edi sa graduation nyo na lang siya makikita. And maganda naman siya. I mean, it exceed my expectations. Worth it naman pala yung risk na ginawa ko, and I'm satisfied with it for the price and the time. Okay naman siya. Ang bilis nung delivery and tama naman yung lead time na binigay nila. Pasok naman siya dun sa sinabi nilang date. And inaantay ko na lang yung mga kabarkada ko para sabay-sabay na kaming pumunta sa school. And I'll take you with me on my graduation rehearsal. So let's go!
Getting tired of the waiting. You gotta wake me, open my eyes. 'Cause I'm feeling now we're fading. I'm in a daydream. Show me the light. Getting tired of the waiting. You gotta wake me, open my eyes. 'Cause I'm feeling now we're fading. I'm in a daydream. Show me the light. Show me the light. Getting tired of the waiting. You gotta wake me, open my eyes. 'Cause I'm feeling now we're fading. I'm in a daydream. Show me the light.
Cheers muna bago pa ako.
Focus on the music with a brand new dark mode that hides the visual and keeps you in the moment. Tap the back to learn more.
Hey guys, good morning. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Today is a Sunday, July 20. 20 na guys! Oh my God, konti na lang. Ilang araw na lang. I-graduate now. As you can see, nasa sasakyan na naman ako. Ibig sabihin, wala na naman ako sa bahay. Pero, ilang araw na ako nasa bahay. Ilang araw na ako hindi lumalabas. Kasi, hindi. Lumabas pala ako nung Thursday, di ba? Thursday ba? Hindi gagi nung Wednesday nung graduation rehearsals. But after that, wala na. Tambay na ako sa bahay. And, ngayon may agenda tayo. I'm going to Laguna. May ihahatid lang ako sa Laguna. Tapos yun lang yung agenda ko. Hindi ko sure kung mag-Duno Valley kami, pero since malapit na yung pupuntahan namin doon, same area, might as well pumunta na lang din kami. Pero we never know what would happen. Guys, time check. Alas 10 rin nasa Batangas pa din kami. Ang daming nangyayari, guys. Pero sure na Laguna na kami ngayon. Kasama ko mga pinsan ko.
Hi! Ano ba? Hi!
Ulat. So, kasama ko ng mga pinsan ko.
Hello!
Hi!
Guys, look. Wala kami ngayon sa Laguna. Nasaan tayo?
Alabang!
Nandito na kami ngayon sa Alabang.
At mamaya ay nasa...
Mamaya nasa airport na kami. Sa gilid tayo, baka hindi tayo makapot na airport.
Nakakadala natin to, guys.
True.
Yes, and do. Para mataranta ka. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan
Tingin
tayo.
tayo.
Basta the summer. Ito muna yung... Anong time stop tayo? Ito ata yung tinanong... Ito yung part na...
Oh,
Sa 300 mo, may tax.
I sailed across the Atlantic. Thought I'd find
ha?
myself when I found you. Well, they accepted all the lies you've given me. They kept me busy in this lonely city. I'm lost at sea, trying not to panic, though it's far too late for me to save you. So how did we all just disappear without warning into blue lights? Read between the lines, wishing I could find a typo somewhere in the news when everything's been misconstrued. And I know we've missed the mark when we perfectly played our parts, holding broken mirrors.
Hey guys, good morning. It's Monday. Today, July 21. And as you can see, wala na naman ako sa bahay. I feel like this week will be very, very busy. Iisip ko yung busy. Hindi, feel ko ngayong week sobrang daming mangyayari kasi graduation week na. And kahapon, we went to Alabang. No, dapat lang, sa Laguna lang kami pupunta. May ihahatid lang. But, napunta kami sa Alabang. Kasi, na-adjust yung flight ng parents ko. That day, dapat today siya yung flight nila pabalik dito sa Batangas. But, na-adjust siya, naging kahapon ng hapon. So, nangyari, after namin sa Laguna, dumiretso na lang kami sa Alabang para mag-antay sa kanila before sila dumating kasi parang 4 p.m. pa yung flight nila kahapon. And yun, doon na lang kami tumigil and kahapon, na-try namin yung Coopers sa Alabang, sa may ATC malapit. And masarap siya. It's a nice experience na nakapag-try kami ng bagong coffee shop na hindi pa namin natatry. Today's another busy day. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari today. Basta hindi pa ako nag-aalmusal. Hindi pa ako nakakapagkape. And hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta today. Pero ang main agenda today ay bumili ng graduation outfit ng aking parents. Hindi ko sure kung magtitingin din ako ng pants. Pero, yon.
I know when you leave it won't feel the same. Just try to remember the game you played. Yeah, we stayed out, getting high in your balcony. Your lips, they taste so heavenly. I can't let you get the best of me now. But a few drinks, yeah, they might just set me free. Do you think that we share a kind of energy? Am I just too hard to let go, too quick to say no? How far can we fall till we can't turn back? But what good is that? Your eyes on your phone, you're never alone. Even when I'm gone, yeah, you'll still be there. Do you even care? I know when you leave.
Kanina ka pa dyan, babad ka dito. Yun, pinasabay ni Manduki. Cross check.
Simula na. Solo yan.
Look, please don't go.
Kulit.
Kaya marami to ha.
Suot na ba to agad mamaya? Hanggang pagpasok? Mula pagpasok, suot na to? Itong cup? Not those os? Baka kailangan din ng pin. Guys! Angela! Hi!
Graduates, with a proven track record of excellence in producing top-notch engineers, we advance leadership in setting global academic standards. Delivers the widest.
Please rise for the processional of faculty members and university.
Now confirm you graduates with the rights, honors, privileges, and obligations appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Very happy, ladies and gentlemen, our graduates of class 2025. Let us give them a warm round of applause. Let us also give a louder and even warmer round of applause for our proud Congratulations, everyone. Please be seated.
Traditional leadership as guest of honor and speaker effectively highlighted the university's vision of propelling transformation and accelerating reform.
Delfina Christian P. Cum Laude and 10 Outstanding Student Awardee. K. Rebel Paul Eric M., Loyalty Awardee. Reyes Casey B., Cum Laude. Reyes Robin Matthew K., Rebel Paul Eric M., Loyalty Awardee. Reyes Casey B., Cum Laude. Reyes Robin Matthew B.
James Michael B. Chavez Warren James C.
Nasa mo pinabasa? The National Engineering University.
That grants me the honor,
That grants me the honor,
rights and privileges attached to my graduation.
rights and privileges attached to my graduation.
I further pledge
Good day, everyone. It is a great honor and privilege to stand and speak before you on this very special occasion. Before I formally begin, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our university officials. Our university president, Dr. Tirso A. Ronquillo.
Till the recessional concludes. Parents and guests, we respectfully request that you remain seated until the university officials, the colors, and the maids have exited the gymnasium. Parents and guests, a little later you may use the left and the right wing for your exit. Only the graduates will be using the main exit of this gymnasium. Muli, malugod at mainit na pagbati sa maulang hamon mula sa Batangas State University.
Weekends as usual. You don't wanna be alone, so we talking on the phone again. Now you misunderstand what I'm saying. Now it feels like I'm alone at your party with nobody who gives a fuck about me.
And that's it. College life ended on a random Wednesday. I will always look back to the memories I've created for 4 years together with its lessons. I'm so happy to share my journey with these people, my college friends, and my high school friends.